this whole area right here is where my ancestors, you know, this is their playground. This was their backyard.
Wetland is a first food or traditional cultural resource for lake people like the Modoc are. What we're advocating for right now is what we're calling a first foods farm. We're in California, but the water that goes into Lower Klamath Lake comes out of the Klamath River in Oregon. Oregon water law does not see wetlands as a beneficial use of water. We were awarded a California Tribal Nature-Based Solutions grant under the Land Back and Land Management Planning category. After that was all said and done, the remaining properties to be funded for land back is an old hunt club on the Lower Klamath. And it's no longer a hunting club because they don't get water.
Got home from work one day and my wife said, "Did you read the article in the Herald News?" And I said no, so she showed it to me, and I just automatically felt right then and there that I had to be a part of this project. There's times when I come out here and I try to find a spot that I can just sit at and just listen, look, and just soak it in as best I can, because knowing at some point in time, my ancestors were walking probably right in front of where I was sitting at some point. So any part of this landscape out here is a part of me.
I believe that Creator put people here for a reason. Everywhere that people were put, they were there for that reason, and they were the right people to take care of that land. And you know, I'm a part of that team now.
Just proud to represent my ancestors in the way that it should be done. Every step I take out here is in honor of them. Moving forward, I plan to die doing this job, representing the Modoc Nation and my Modoc people the best I can.